Hello and welcome to this brief little demonstration video for week 8's assignment here. So going through, I'll start with the document component. So here I'll select on something and then I can hit the edit button. So with the edit button, I can edit however I want. So I can do just add a quick number in there. You can see it updates it right there. I can add a document. You can see the validation is working here. And then I can just add like random things to it. Obviously it wouldn't be named for a course, but just to show that it works, it adds it right there. Cool. So now, jumping over to the context one. So the context one, similar thing, I can hit the edit button. It pulls all the information and puts it here, which is good. The validation is in place. So you can see it has like, hey, you need a required, email and stuff. Fix that. Just throw in a bunch of extra E's. And then you can see I save it and it makes a change there. Obviously, I want to do that real world, but just show that it works. And then same thing here. I can just add just like a contact and stuff, and then it will go down like that. And let me show this and then demonstrate the drag and drop. So like this is like its own thing. So it gives you error message saying like, hey, you can't add a group. It's either already in there or current contact. But if I add contacts to it, then you can see that it adds it there. And then if I want to remove it, then I can remove it there. But yeah, so that is my contacts project. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.